The Ideal Pase Model AE2-CGP is your complete high-accuracy filling solution for 5-gallon metal and plastic pails. This machine features large color touchscreen HMI and lighted push-button panel for all recipe management, real-time machine performance monitoring, and machine's mechanical controls. 2-hit fill station featuring Ideal Pace's innovative vented cone nozzles, dual air-actuated ball valves per nozzle for optimal coarse and fine filling control, and our integrated 2-scale system, which is isolated from all conveyor vibrations for more accurate performance. Ideal Pace's robust reciprocating lid placing station that places both metal crimped and plastic friction lids in one compact footprint. Our fully guarded crimping station. And our robust roller closing station for plastic friction lids with standard guarding package. All of these features combine to deliver a compact and compelling metal and plastic pail filling solution. Empty metal pails are transported via chain conveyor to the 2-scale stations, then cast out. Integrated scales rise up and move pails off of the chain conveyor where they are tiered, and auto-fill to the exact filling weights specified in the PLC stored filling recipe for that specific product. This filling sequence is repeated automatically 2 pails at a time until all pails are filled. Filled pails are transported to the Reciprocating Lid Placing Station, where individual lids are pulled from the stack and placed perfectly on each pail as it moves under the station. Next, filled and lidded pails move under the crimping station for sealing prior to being transported to the final steps in the packing process, which may include labeling, palletizing, and shrink wrapping. Plastic pails are also transported to the 2 fill stations and filled the same way, with the stored filling recipe determining what filling weights will be achieved. The Ideal Pace Reciprocating Lid Placer suction cup arm grabs each lid from the stack and quickly places it on top of the filled plastic pail. Next, filled and lidded plastic pails are sent to the Ideal Pace heavy-duty rolling closer station for lid sealing. Filled, lidded, and sealed plastic pails are then transported to the next steps in the packaging process. The Ideal Pase Model AE2-CGP is your total filling, lidding, and lid sealing and crimping solution for your plastic and metal pail filling operations. Packages for caustic filling, hazardous environments, and food applications are available for this machine model. For more information on this Ideal Pace machine and how it can upgrade your pail filling operations, please contact your regional Ideal Pace sales representative.